Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Hakatayo banwan, kata nadu ka kanyaw, hadu ka arpoy terik mataw banay rempang, usnam arhajar arpo. Kipat ba kibae yakijilak kay baperoper, kensiyo alat bansaki yakalempong yakop, hakijilak kay kibabunjan, yakabalatem, kum ka Meghalaya Games 2020. Kabalong ru kalempong, hakabakirang bat kithayi lekay, kibasyaji nakani kalempong, kin penkrepat nakabenta banishimenta, hakawaipat kalempong kabahe hakani kari India, kata haka National Games, kaban salong hausnam arhajar arpuar. Kijing lekay kiban saperlong hakani kalempong, kin kenthop yaka archery, athletics, badminton, basketball, boxing, billiards bat snooker, judo, karate, shooting, swimming, table tennis, taekwondo, tennis but wushu. Kijaka ban perlongpat yakini kijeko baro kindai Hussein Anthony School Stadium, ha JN Indo Stadium Polo, ha UTS Indo Stadium, ha Shillong Club, ha Nong Thamai Sports and Cultural Club, ha Laban Sports Club Indoor Stadium, ha Assam Regimental Center, bat ha Crinoline Swimming Pool Shillong. Hakani kalempong ke bahe, ke balong ru kesien ke baningkong hakani ke jala Meghalaya. Kinong shimenta kindon siajar sanspa kat saungot baro. Bakan top yaki khandai spa asau puparangot ki shenrang, bat sanspa and rupusangot ki kinthai.
There are altogether 8 indoor venues. Boxing championship, the Meghalaya Games, the boxing edition will be held in the Jain Indoor Stadium. Then billiards and snooker in Shillong Club. Badminton and table tennis in Utturat Singh Indoor Stadium. Karate and taekwondo in Lavan Sports Club. And wushu and judo in Nong Thamai Indoor Hall. And shooting, which will be held in Assam Regimental Center, will be both indoor and outdoor. Of course, we have swimming in Crinoline Swimming Pool. And tennis again in Shillong Club, the basketball in the basketball court in JN Stadium, and athletics in the JN main stadium. So most of these events will be starting say by 9 o'clock. So the detailed schedule and the categories which will be played all along from the 17th to the 21st will be shared with you by the respective associations and by the GTCC committee, which will be there in Polo Ground main stadium. So if any details are needed, the publicity chairman, Babor, will be there to hand you the all the details regarding the Meghalaya Games in the various venues. It's 1,559 from all the 11 districts. And the total number of managers and coaches is 236. So altogether we have about 1,795 athletes. This is a big sporting extravaganza.
This is, I think, after a long time, one of the biggest sporting event in the state. We have just done some little bit of scrutiny in our files and found that the last Meghalaya Games was held in 2004. But many of our senior members are saying there was one also prior to that. So probably this would be the third edition of the Meghalaya Games. So it is being held after 16 years. And we sincerely thank the government of Meghalaya, the sports minister, the honorable chief minister, the sports officials, the government for having supported this. This is a very crucial event in the sense that it gives hope and inspiration to the youth of the state. It gives hope and inspiration to the youth of the state. Besides, as you asked just now, this is like a test event. The Meghalaya Games will be something like a test event for the National Games. So we do hope to have another 2 more prior to the National Games, another 2 more. And I'm really looking forward to the athletes, to our young sporting athletes to take the opportunity of this Meghalaya Games, the state associations, and go forward and be preparing ourselves. Yes, we have conducted, I understand in 2004 we conducted 10 disciplines. This time we are conducting 14, and we hope that by the next one we'll be able to prepare a roadmap to conduct all. Because as you're aware, we are supposed to host 36 disciplines. So some of them are already in preparation stage, transition stage, but as of today, we are here today to discuss the Meghalaya Games. We are very fortunate that the government has come out in supporting this. It's a big paradigm shift from after a long time to invest on the youth. And as we stated earlier, the Meghalaya Games, as we stated earlier, if you look from Khelo India, the Khelo India Games held in Guwahati 2020. If we do an analysis and find that Mizoram invests in the total allocation to the state associations is in terms of 2.5 crores approximately annually. That investment has given them results now, because Mizoram, in the ranking of states in India, out of 37 states, Mizoram became 21st, while Meghalaya is 35th out of 37. So this investment by the government of Meghalaya, it is not probably that you can achieve results by tomorrow, but definitely, if we continue with this kind of support, I'm very sure we will be able to produce Olympians to go to the Olympics 2028. I'm very confident that if the state government gives us the right support, the vision of MSME is to produce Olympians. So to produce Olympians, one has to invest. So we see other states who invest, they bring a lot of change in the society, bring a lot of change in the community, and so on and so forth. So once again, I would also take this opportunity of requesting to the people, the citizens of Meghalaya, to kindly come and encourage the children of the state on the opening day to be together with them, because all the athletes will be assembled at one place in Jain Stadium for the opening ceremony, which will be for about an hour and a half, from 11 to about 11:30, 12. And I appeal to all the citizens of the states, whoever is free to come and encourage the children of the state.